Hi everyone and welcome. Today I'm bringing you a fluffy brow tutorial that is super easy for beginners. So if you want to see me turn my brows from this to this, make sure you keep on watching. Let's start, you guys. This is a super easy way to do your brows, trust me. I start by using a spoolie and push my hairs upwards, and then I use hair wax. I don't like using brow soap. You can use brow soap, you can use glue, you can use gel, but I like using wax because it stays on place all day. So what I literally do is just push my hairs upwards using the wax and a spoolie and make sure they are really sticky and staying on place, and press them down with my finger, and that's it. Then I just need to use a brow pen, but that's what I do for to make them stay on place. As you guys can see, huge difference from the before and after with a very simple step. Then I like to use a brow pen. You can use a pencil, you can use powder, but I like using a brow pen because I love the hair stroke technique. This will make your brows look more natural. So what I do is I follow the growth of my natural brow hairs and I mimic that and create fake little hairs on those areas where I don't have those hairs. Like where I have gaps, I go in with a pen that is really close to my natural hair color and I just create some fake little hairs. Super easy, you guys. All you need is hair wax and a brow pen. And here I'm just filling in the gaps to make sure I don't miss any. And as you guys can see, I have some places where I don't have a lot of brow hair, so I just go over it with the pen. Huge difference, you guys. Looks so more fluffier. Then if you want a more defined look, you can use a little bit of concealer and really define your brow bone, and it will make it look more clean any mistakes you've made. But this is optional, you don't have to do it if you don't want to. I personally love the look, so I do it all the time. So this is the difference, you guys. It's crazy. Then I'm gonna speed the process of the other brow, just putting my hairs in place, fill in the gaps, creating little fake hairs with the pen, and you are good to go. And that's pretty much it, you guys. This is the before and then this is the after. They look so much better, fluffier, thicker. I love it. So that's it, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, leave me a comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you so much for watching, you guys. I see you on my next one. Bye bye.